Dry Skin SOS. Your ultimate guide to hydration. Is your skin feeling parched, tired of flaky patches and dullness? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with dry skin, but fear not. Today, we're diving deep into the world of hydration to reveal the secrets to a radiant, supple complexion. Dry skin can be caused by a variety of factors, including harsh weather, aging, and even certain medications. But the good news is, there are plenty of ways to combat this common skin concern. First and foremost, hydration is key. Invest in a high-quality moisturizer that suits your skin type. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and ceramides, which are all renowned for their hydrating properties. Don't forget to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Water helps to flush out toxins and keep your skin hydrated from within. Facial mists are another great way to refresh and hydrate your skin on the go. Keep one in your bag and spritz it throughout the day for an instant boost of moisture. Limit hot showers and opt for lukewarm water instead. Hot water can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness. When it comes to cleansing, choose a gentle, fragrance-free cleanser. Harsh cleansers can further irritate dry skin. Protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays by wearing sunscreen daily, even on cloudy days. Sun damage can accelerate skin aging and worsen dryness. By following these simple tips, you can say goodbye to dry, flaky skin and hello to a healthy, glowing complexion. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to your skincare routine and watch your skin transform. Subscribe for more skincare tips.